the unsettling moment of almost hitting a pedestrian with your car. It's a fear that rattles even seasoned drivers. You might wonder, can I get in trouble for this? Well, let's untangle this web of uncertainty together. And first, understand this. Near misses can happen to anyone. So poor visibility distractions or sudden pedestrian moves add to the mix. But legal implications can arise. Let's dive into the responsibilities that we shoulder as drivers. In most jurisdictions, drivers have a duty of care, especially concerning pedestrians who are often deemed vulnerable. Failing this can lead to accusations of reckless or negligent driving. It's not just about actual collisions. Now let's talk about potential legal repercussions. While a near miss might not result in a traffic ticket, it could lead to others. Witnesses can report reckless behavior, and you might face charges based on those observations. Consider this: if the pedestrian files a complaint, authorities could investigate, right? Depending on the findings, you may face fines or even driving suspension. It sounds harsh, but accountability is crucial for road safety. Pro tip, dashcams can be your best friend. They provide an unbiased account of events, potentially saving you from unfair penalty if you work at fault. Invest in one. They're worth their weight in peace of mind. And another layer to consider is car insurance. A reported incident could escalate your premiums even if no accident occurred. Insurers generally frown upon risky driving behaviors, near miss or otherwise. It's also essential to remember that while pedestrians often have the right of way, their responsibility isn't eliminated. Jaywalking can complicate liability, making it less black and white in determining fault. Informing yourself about local traffic laws is crucial. Each state or city can have varying pedestrian right-of-way statutes. I live in Portland, where we emphasize pedestrian rights, making it doubly critical to stay aware. So what should you do if you find yourself in such a scenario? First, stay calm. If the near miss involved an abrupt stop, ensure everyone involved is okay. Communication can often resolve misunderstandings before they escalate. It's wise to document situations calmly and gather details if required, such as the pedestrian's actions and road conditions. This information may prove useful if any claims arise from the incident. Lastly, brush up on defensive driving techniques. These skills are indispensable at averting hazards and could save you from potential mishaps with pedestrians altogether. It's not just about avoiding guilt, it's about safe driving ethos. So while no collision happened, the tension is real. Knowing what could happen keeps you informed. And like most things in life, preparation, awareness, and empathy are your best defenses behind the wheel